Wilfred is a cute little dog, but he has a lot of energy. He has only been awake for a few minutes, and already he has run outside to the hydrant, dashed back inside and raced around the lamp, and has now jumped on the sofa. Look at these 3 phrases that describe where Wilfred has been. They all begin with a word that shows the relationship between Wilfred and the object. Words like these are called prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. The 3 prepositions shown here, to, on, and around, also have words following them. These groups of words are called prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase includes a preposition, a noun or pronoun, and any modifiers that may accompany it. In today's lesson, you will learn how to identify prepositions and prepositional phrases. Click Next to begin. There are many words that serve as prepositions. Here is a list of some of the most commonly used prepositions. Take some time to look over the list so that you can become familiar with these words. When you are ready to practice identifying prepositions, click Next. You will remember that a preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. Here is a sentence that contains a preposition. Wilfred is in his house. The noun house and the word that is in relationship to it are highlighted. Can you identify the preposition that joins them? Click on the preposition in this sentence. Here is another one for you to try. The dog is looking at his food. The noun food and the word in relationship to it are highlighted. Click on the preposition. Now try this sentence. The dog sits near his water bowl. This time, only the noun bowl is highlighted. Click on the preposition that relates it to the rest of the sentence. Here is one more sentence. The dog with the hat is funny. There are no highlighted words to help you. Can you click on the preposition in this sentence? Here are the 4 sentences you just saw, with the prepositions highlighted. In each case, a noun follows closely after the preposition. These nouns are called the objects of the preposition. In the first sentence, house is the object of the preposition in. Food is the object of the preposition at. Bowl is the object of the preposition near. And hat is the object of the preposition with. Click Next. As with many other parts of speech, it is possible that a preposition may have more than one object. Look at this sentence. The dog with the long tongue and gray collar looks very friendly. What is the preposition in this sentence? It is the word with. What is the object of this preposition? There are actually 2. The dog has a long tongue, and he also has a gray collar. The nouns tongue and collar are the objects of the preposition with. Be sure to look for more than one object after you have identified a preposition in a sentence. Click Next. Look at these 4 sentences again. There are words that appear between the preposition and its object. These words modify the nouns that follow them. Each preposition, its object, and the words that modify the object form a prepositional phrase. Study the prepositional phrases on this slide and then click Next to practice finding them on your own. Now it's your turn. Read this sentence. The dog has gotten into some big trouble. Can you identify the prepositional phrase in this sentence? Begin by finding the preposition and then find the noun or pronoun that follows it. Click on the blue dots that come before and after the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase, into some big trouble, has been highlighted. Which word in the phrase is the object of the underlined preposition? Choose the correct answer from the list. There may be more than one. Now try another sentence. Beneath the box lid is a cute little puppy. Click on the blue dots before and after the prepositional phrase in this sentence. The prepositional phrase is beneath the box lid. Which word in this phrase is the object of the preposition? Click on the answer, but be aware that there may be more than one. Now try one more. Get off my nice new chair, Wilfred. Click on the blue dots before and after the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase is off my nice new chair. Which word is the object of the preposition? Be sure to look for more than one. Now try one last sentence. The dog is looking at Lisa and Mike. Click on the blue dots before and after the prepositional phrase. The underlined preposition is at, and the entire prepositional phrase is at Lisa and Mike. Which word is the object of the preposition? Choose the correct answer or answers. In today's lesson, you learned about prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. The object of a preposition is the noun or pronoun that follows a preposition. A prepositional phrase includes a preposition, a noun or pronoun, and any modifiers. Continue practicing with prepositions and prepositional phrases so that you can use them correctly in writing and speaking. Here again is the list of commonly used prepositions. You may wish to copy these onto a card or in a notebook so that you have them for future reference. You will want to learn these common prepositions so that you can identify and use them correctly in sentences. Please review any information that you do not understand.